Good day, everyone. Welcome to the online store order system, your easy way to manage online shopping and sell products simply and smartly. The online store order system is a comprehensive application designed to simplify and automate the process involved in managing an e-commerce platform. This system caters to both business owners and customers by providing seamless way to handle orders, manage product, catalogs, process payments, and track shippings and order statuses. This is the key features of online store order system. Number 1. Customer management. Efficiently store and manage customer data, including names, addresses, and contact information, ensuring personalized service and smart order delivery. Number 2. Product catalog. Maintain detailed records of products, including unique identifiers, names, variants, and prices, allowing for easy updates and inventory management. Number 3. Order processing. Streamline order placements by connecting customers to the products they need, with detailed tracking of order, dates, statuses, and quantities. Number 4. Payment integration. Support multiple payment methods to provide flexibility and convenience to customers. Number 5. Shipping management. Include shipment details such as weight, dimensions, and cost, enabling efficient logistics and tracking. Number 6. Order status updates. Provide real-time updates on order progress, ensuring transparency for customers and accountability for businesses. The online store order system is an ideal solution for modern businesses looking to expand their reach through e-commerce, ensuring the streamlined and professional online shopping experience for their customers.
This is the Entity Relationship Diagram or ERD for our online store order system, showing how the database tables are connected. The Customers table stores customer details like customer ID, name, and shipping addresses. It links to the Orders table, which tracks orders using order ID, customer ID, and order date. The Order Details table connects orders to the Products table, recording which products were ordered, their product ID, and quantity. The Products table stores product information including names, variants, and prices. To track order progress, the Order Status table logs statuses like pending or shipped with timestamp. Payments are recorded in the Payments table, including payment type. Finally, the Shipping table manages shipping details like shipping cost, weight, and size.
First, open the SAM terminal and make sure that MySQL service is running, and after that is open SQL Log for the databases. Now we can start the system. Press the Start button. This is the login screen for the online store orders system, where users and administrators can securely access the system by entering their credential. This is the registration screen for the online store orders system, where new users can create an account. The form ensures secure and accurate user data collection to provide appropriate access. It can be user or admin. Now double check the inputted credential. Now press the register button. Now you can go to the login section again. You can check it on the SQL log. Now put the credentials you inputted. Type the user type. Check it in the SQL log for the database. Now press the login button. This is the home screen, serve as the central navigation hub for the online store order system. It provides access to key system functionalities and ensures intuitive navigation for users. Now we can go to the customer section. Allows administrators to manage customer information within the online store order system. Users can add, update, view, or delete customer records efficiently. First, type ID in the customer ID and search it. If there's a record, it can automatically be retrieved. Now we can see the records we inputted. Now we can go back to the home screen and go to the order section. The order section in the online store order system is where administrators manage customer orders. This section allows users to create, update, view, and delete orders efficiently, ensuring smooth operations for the store. Notes for the order section. Orders should be updated regularly to ensure accurate processing and fulfillment. Double-check all details when creating or editing an order to avoid errors. Now we can go to the order details section. Provides a comprehensive view of all products included in a specific order. It displays a key information such as the order ID, the product ID, and quantity. This section ensures accurate tracking and management of items for every order. Now we can go to the payment section. Manages the payment methods and transaction for each order. It records key details such as the order ID and the chosen payment type. This section ensures secure and accurate tracking of payments, contributing to a smooth order processing workflow. The shipping section manages the logistics of delivering orders to customers. It includes details such as the order ID, shipping costs, weight, and size of the package. This section ensures accurate calculation of shipping fees and efficient handling of delivery processes. This section plays a critical role in ensuring timely and cost-effective order fulfillment. The order status section tracks the progress of each order in real time. It includes information such as the order ID, status, and a timestamp for updates. This ensures customers and admins stay informed about the current stage of every order. And for the last section, we have the product section. The product section in the online store order system is where administrators manage the inventory of products. This section provides tools to add, edit, delete, and view products offered by the store, ensuring that the product database remains up to date. This section ensures effective inventory management, enabling a seamless shopping experience for customers.